Every industry that Elon Musk has entered so far has been shaken to its core and evolved for the better. Modern technology is consistently being updated or influenced by one Tesla product or another. Now it seems that the smartphone industry will also be transformed by the tech giant's newest product, the Tesla Model Pi phone. Tesla has been pretty tight-lipped so far about the highly anticipated Pi phone, rumored to be released in 2023. But many new updates have come out about the design, features, and more. So today we'll be delving deep into the features of the Pi phone, as well as the possibilities and potential of Elon Musk's Neuralink with the Pi phone. What will this do to the smartphone industry? Will Apple's iPhone finally be taken over? Keep watching to find out. But first, the history behind the Tesla Model Pi phone. When it comes to the smartphone industry, no company has more support and loyal fan followers than Apple has with their line of iPhones. Apple's phone sales are also still dominating the industry to this day. And while it may sound far-fetched to say this now, Elon Musk's Pi phone may actually be able to revolutionize phones in the future, just like Steve Jobs did with the iPhone's revolutionary touchscreen and OS capabilities. Whenever Elon decides to venture into a new aspect of technology, something entirely fresh and unique is born. The Pi phone definitely won't be like a regular phone. We're not only assuming this because of past Tesla products, but with Musk's Neuralink technology in mind, no pun intended, as Neuralink's testing goes on and until they find a proper functioning chip for a human brain. Tesla also has time to incorporate Neuralink technology into its operating system. This is highly likely, as Elon Musk has officially stated on Twitter. Smartwatches and phones are yesterday's technology. Neuralinks are the future. This was in response to a tweet about Tesla's potential future in smartwatches and phones, which Musk promptly rejected. Rumors about the Tesla Model Pi initially started spreading like wildfire since the YouTube channel ADR Studio uploaded a video titled Tesla Model P Concept in February 2021. Since then, many theories about the phone have floated to the top of internet searches and many have tried to imagine what it might feature. ADR's video has visualized the phone to be very slick, just like Tesla's vehicles, and showed us a lot of its design. But overall, the video only revealed a few basic features. So with that said, let's go over some of those features and explore more recent updates. The Model Pi phone. Build quality. The construction of the Pi phone has been widely speculated to be like a Tesla car. It sounds weird, but let me explain. It is easy to imagine that, just like a Tesla car, the Model Pi would be constructed out of a strong, hardy, unbreakable material. In this case, it will be a high-grade aluminum casing. ADR's video also indicates that the phone's construction is strong enough to withstand 150 megapascals of force, which is equivalent to 1,500 times the atmospheric pressure of the surface of the Earth. Tesla seems to be wanting to build a phone that can take even the most extreme weather conditions. The back panel has a solid grip and a sleek-looking Tesla logo as well. While no real reason has been revealed regarding the phone's unusually strong build, is not something anyone would likely complain about. The man behind the design of the Model Pi phone is Antonio De Rosa, a product designer who has designed many Apple product concepts as well. The Tesla Model Pi body has been compared to the iPhone 12 by several industry analysts. For instance, the phone fits 4 cameras in its frame, with the sides rounded with a silvery hue. However, a major speculated innovation in color is expected to set itself apart from Apple's iPhones. Just like BMW's iX Flow car, the Pi phone changes in color when hit by sunlight or any other strong source of light from different angles. The change in color is due to the material of the phone, a photochromic coating on the body that catches the light at different angles and therefore turns from silver to pink and even to blue. Tesla cars, such as the Model S, have dabbled with color-changing materials and even color-changing technology before, which is why the Pi phone's photochromic coating makes perfect sense and fits with Tesla's innovation. Main features. In recent news, there are some newly announced important features expected in the Tesla Pi phone. The Pi phone will have its own OS called the Tesla OS, setting itself apart from Android and iOS. With 12 gigabytes of RAM and up to 512 gigabytes internal storage, Tesla was bold enough not to put a slot for a memory card on the phone. The phone's security capabilities are also very impressive. This leads to another eye-catching feature, which will be an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, available in the Tesla Pi model. It will be an on-screen fingerprint scanner with very high efficiency. The screen selfie camera can also act as a face scanner for those who wish to secure their phones even further. Aside from this, there is also strong speculation that the phone will be capable of mining cryptocurrency, as observed by Musk's major involvement with Dogecoin. Mostly due to Musk's plan to colonize Mars, he has now come up with a new type of cryptocurrency called Mars Coin, which users on Mars can use and operate through their Tesla Pi phones. However, this feature may still be a few models away and needs to be taken with a grain of salt for now. But if these ideas are successfully implemented into the Pi phone, then Apple and other major phone producers will surely have to up their game. Selfie and rear camera quality. According to multiple sources, the phone will contain a high-quality camera that provides very high zoom features and apparently won't need any extra lenses to capture a very high-definition picture. This phone boasts 2 fine cameras for the debut Tesla phone. The rear or main camera has 3 different lenses, all of which can shoot up to 50 megapixels in quality, coming with the cinematic shooting mode and stereo sound recording capability. The selfie camera is almost as impressive as the main camera, built to take impressive shots at 40 megapixels. Will this match Apple's cinematic camera quality and features? It may not, but the next few features might. Connecting capabilities. When it comes to the more advanced and superior features of the Pi phone, we can't end this video without talking about the phone's vast connecting capabilities. First, when it comes to charging the phone, you'll not only have a standard USB phone charger that comes with it, but it will also be one of the first phones to have the ability to charge without the need of a wire. Not only this, but you can charge it even when you're on the go, due to its built-in solar panels at the back of the phone. Yes, you heard that right. Tesla is taking some of their already existing solar panel technology and incorporating it into the Pi phone. This is a very convenient and game-changing add-on for the phone industry. The Pi phone is also going to revolutionize internet and device connectivity for many reasons. Users of both Pi phones and Tesla cars will be able to connect to their Tesla vehicles, which will allow access to the car in many ways, including opening and locking. Aside from this, the Pi phone will get limitless connectivity from Starlink's broadband satellites. This means that wherever you may be, on Earth or even on Mars once Elon Musk colonizes it, you will never be out of bars and will have consistent net connectivity. The last and most exciting capability of the Pi phone will reportedly be the ability to connect to the Neuralink server. For those who aren't clear on what Elon Musk's Neuralink is capable of, Neuralink is setting out to build the world's first brain-to-machine link chip, which will keep our minds connected to the Starlink internet satellites, and in turn, keep us connected to one another at all times. Our memory and further data collected by the chip can be stored on the Pi phone, something which no other company is dabbling with at the moment. Say what you want about Elon Musk, but his plans to keep us all connected are highly ambitious and could very likely be the future of communication and safety. We hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know what you think about Tesla's Pi phone by dropping a comment below, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more tech-related news.